matter.
Thank
Yeah.
you. I'm not too hungry at the moment.
This
I
is
ate not long
for the
ago.
active warrant, isn't it?
I'm unsure. I just came up to get you. I have no.
Oh, mate, you know you are blessed with my time. You are the lucky one, yes.
Just this way.
Thank you very much, Doctor There. Yes, yes. I see. I hear a voice of an angel.
Voice of an angel. Is that right? Just the
Okay.
back here.
Hello,
sorry.
boys. How are you?
This one at the back, I believe.
Hello.
I'm handling
hello.
this one
Say
here.
hello,
Oh,
hello. Say hello, hello,
hello. Hello,
What?
handsome.
Kukla, how are you?
What?
Tikani there. Hello. Hello, how are you?
So, yeah, so you've been,
Hello.
Hello, who do I have here?
Harold Custard-Button was already here. He fought with us and he said to go ahead with sentencing, but then the female individual called you here instead.
I did say hello, how are you? My name's also Hatzis with the Victoria Legal Aid. I believe this is a matter of a warrant, is that correct?
Yeah, warrant for questioning.
Oh, is that for questioning? I thought it was recovery.
Who's
What?
the other warrant?
No.
I'm here to fight the warrant for recovery in relation to motor vehicles.
We were told you're here to fight his actual warrant, not the motor vehicle one.
Okay,
That can't be fought.
okay. Oh, yes,
You know what I was planning?
Yes, what was it? I've got a motion in the courts right now regarding the motor vehicle warrant.
Since, how did you know about that?
He told me on the phone.
Spoke to him over the phone with
Right.
I can't remember her name. She put on speaker.
Mandy. It was Mandy Cohen.
Mandy, that's all.
Right.
Speaker, so I can speak to him.
So preparing the paperwork for that now.
I'm not giving you the paperwork until it goes to court.
Oh, that's alright, mate. I've got a case loaded at the moment. I'm just going to do my paperwork. It wasn't after your paperwork. It was after my paperwork. I believe it was some recoverable funds that needs to be paid.
He can't pay it. It's already gone past the point of payment.
Yes, and this is
Which
why
is
we
hence the warrant. Well, he's had multiple chances, sir. He knows that, and he's been put over multiple times. Hence why it's been brought up to the sheriff leadership, putting these two vehicles up to get the funds. He's past the point of payment.
Yeah, I thought I'd give it a shot. Give me a minute. I'll give it a shot.
By the way, if you needed my license, just in case you needed my full name for anything.
Correct, yeah, Tony correct, yes. Oh, Toby, sorry, my bad. That's right. So I'm just typing the paperwork up, mate. Just making sure you got money to pay this warrant, yes?
Yes.
Okay, mate.
He can't pay it. It's past that point. Oh, just ignore that. That's cool too.
Alright, mate. Are you able to provide me affidavit or a statutory declaration, including supporting materials, treating, obviously anything that you got there? And do you have any character references as well, mate?
Wait, hold on. Say that all again for me.
Yes, if you can give me a statutory declaration that you can pay this amount, it should be in your file that says F10. I'll send it to the court.
Would you be able to get me like the full amount that's on the warrant? I mean, I'm not too sure. Shit. If I asked, do you reckon they'd be able to tell me?
I don't know. I do not know.
Um,
I'm trying to. I can do this in discovery and try to get it before the courts.
I mean, whatever works. I mean, you'd want the proper amount on there, wouldn't you? Rather than me just saying I can pay the fines.
Oh shit.
So, yeah, actually, no, that's our hat.
Officer.
Yeah, sorry, mate. I have to use the right email, alright?
Oh, good. Good. Officer.
Who's in the cell over there? Is that my boy?
Excuse me, officer.
That's
No,
my boy.
it's
I know
not.
who that is.
Excuse me.
My boy.
Yes.
Sorry. Would you be able to tell me the full amount that's listed on the warrant for me to pay?
No, because it's past that point. Hence the warrant.
Okay, but
It's
how
past
much?
that point of money
That's my
recovery.
boy Toby.
Okay, but like, how much am I meant to pay? Apparently,
Oi, Toby.
that was listed. Someone just say my name.
Toby. It's Sticky Fingers.
Someone say my. What are you
Sticky
doing?
fingers, shut up!
What are you? What are you doing in here?
Oh, mate. You know, cops are little dogs, mate.
Jeez. Hey, you didn't get caught anything, did ya?
Oh, mate. They were bloody... They pulled me over for no reason, man. Asked me to step out the car for no reason. That's
No,
what
no
happened,
good.
mate.
No good. No good. Well, good luck.
Thanks, mate.
Currently fighting some sheriff's warrants.
Fucking hell, mate. Not good.
Right. So no one's able to tell me how much was listed on the warrant for how much I was meant to pay.
This officer's dealing with it.
What?
Got locked up. They won't let me out. They won't let me. I'm gonna get locked up. They won't let me out. Oh, they won't let me out.
Can you tell him, Hunter, please? Been here for like over an hour now. Kind of a joke.
My bad for keeping you guys here for so long. I'm not trying to.
Yeah, sorry, my apologies. I've
was up?
just having a chat to the courts. Apparently, Austin card is available at the magistrate court right now about this matter.
Yeah, with the first lawyer, there was like a communication issue, and he kind of just
Communication,
defaulted
he
to one
abused
warrant.
us. He absolutely abused us. It wasn't communication, it was abusing.
No, well, between me and him, there was a small communication error. I couldn't really care less about the first warrant. It was more of the
Orson isn't
sheriff's
available.
warrant.
He's currently presiding over a case already, so it's going to be quite a bit of a wait. We've already had you for over half an hour.
Is the
Over an
seizure
hour,
of the
sorry.
vehicles happening tonight, or
Well,
do you have a little bit
yeah,
of time?
he's in custody.
Yes, okay.
I'm in custard. Can I
Custody.
get some free custard with that?
Alright, I just had a chat to you. If you look at what is your names? Are you in the court email system? We can add you to the case file.
Hunter Simmons.
Hello, I'm
The
back.
fact is,
Hello.
just looking at when his debt's been
Basically,
registered, it's
I've
been
seen body
quite a
cameras
while.
of some of them,
Yeah, Toby
and
knows
they've
that.
been running
Toby
around.
can tell you the amount of
Toby, you
times
know
they
that
pulled him
already.
over.
I don't think we can
The
get
fact
with
is, it's
this
been waiting that
sentence
long,
quickly,
and he has
because-
he wants to run a not attempt to payment plan or anything to the point where the car's getting taken, whether he wants to pull him out
Yeah.
or not.
Yeah.
It's
I think
non-negotiable.
we can speak to
And
that
who-
over
is
there
anyone else
and
would be
get
happy
them
with this
to
case
pay
file?
for that. But if you're happy with the 4 weeks, we can send your
Or
Are you
just
going to
yourself?
listen to us or just ignore us, sir?
Mate,
'Cause it
I'm-
seems
I'm
like you're not
just,
wanting to actually
mate, I am
communicate.
here to obviously.
You're
get
not.
direction from the
You're not
court.
communicating with us, sir.
As I said,
You're
the
going
matter-
straight ahead. No, listen. You're going straight ahead over our heads, straight to the courts without actually communicating first.
Yeah, so as I
You've
said
walked
to
in
you,
here. We have no idea who you are. Automatically, you've got a case file open. For what? You haven't even communicated to us. For what? You haven't
Okay, no
communicated
worries.
nothing.
You know what it is, mate. I do apologise.
That's
alright?
not how this works.
All right, under the section 165(3)(e) of the Funds Reform Act, you can
Oh,
apply for a rehearing under 167 of the FRA. Under what we were attempting is a warrant recall and cancel under the 58 of the Magistrate Court of Act of
Haha, that's
1989.
not going to happen.
Just the fact that my client can pay the setting amount in full today.
Okay, and do you want to know something? He has been attempted multiple times by sheriffs, fled multiple times by sheriffs for a payment plan, and each single time he's denied and fled. He's had multiple chances to pay these fines, hence why it's come to the point where our sheriff leadership have had to actually go through and organise what vehicles can be taken and impounded.
Yeah, so my concern
Because
is
he's not
the warrant
paying.
is against an unpaid fine that he's happy to pay. That is my concern.
Sorry?
My concerns is the warrant is activated about an unsettled amount that he's happy to
Yes.
settle today. This is why I'm
that's
happy
not
to
how it
have a
happens.
magistrate hearing right now to see
We
the
can't have it right
determination.
now because there's already a court case happening right now. And the person that put out the warrant isn't available.
Well,
So
it's
I
fine.
don't particularly
the,
like
the
being
warrant
pushed
could
into
be squashed
something.
once the payment's been made.
The warrant isn't being squashed.
So
He's
this
not.
is-
He's
this
no.
is
He's
the,
had multiple chances to pay his fines.
Yeah,
He's
so
not paying it.
This
Hence
is
why
what
it's
he's
come to
happy
this
pay.
recovery.
Yes, he's happy
That's
to
just
pay
not
right
how
now.
it works.
Yes.
No, it's not
So
working.
obviously we come into IDI. We can head down to the magistrate court if you like. As what is
No, I'd
Hunter?
rather him go on bail.
Yeah,
I don't. I
you can go
don't
on
like
bail,
being
that's
pushed
fine.
into something that I don't want to do,
That's fine.
and I have no right. You have no right to do that.
Okay, that's fine. You can be on bail. I'll just have a chat to the court right now in relation
What's
to
your-
follow it.
What's your suspect's name?
Toby
Toby?
Quack.
Okay, click wrong. Go.
Anyway, you can deal with that, Hunter, because I'm clearly no one's listening. So if they
Yeah.
can listen to you, that'd be great.
Look, I already dealt with you with Dagger the other day.
Yes,
Simple
mate.
as this. The vehicles are getting impounded no matter what today. Whether he likes to take them out or not, it's non-negotiable. He's had. Let me have a look at the date that his debt was first encountered with.
Just for reference, as it states on the warrant, we will monitor his debt, but once the debt has been paid, his vehicles will be unimpounded. That's how it works.
No, I was
I'm not
misled.
sure if you're
I was
familiar with
misled
the
it was
whole
gonna get
sheriff side of
crushed.
things.
I was misled. I was going to get
No,
crushed.
they wouldn't get
No,
crushed.
no,
They
no.
would be sold.
Impounded
It
for a
doesn't say it.
time base, sir.
Yeah, until one
A,
paid.
a
Yes.
crush is only if he's got like a 12th impound. I'm not doing that. That's
Yes,
just
so
fucking mean.
there's obviously some misunderstanding here. That's fine. So he's going to get impounded until we pay the amount. Is that right?
So it'll be in for 5 months to 50,000, or until he's paid off the entire amount.
Yes.
Well,
Even if he pays it right now, which I know for a fact he's trying to do, we still have to impound it because it's a warrant that has to be actioned.
well, we can do this, right? So, do you there's obviously going to be a sheriff at the court, right? Does this sound fair to you, Mr. Toby, alright? Is it sound fair? They will go take your vehicles, impound it quickly. We'll go to the court, pay the fine, and then come back and get it
He
unrestricted.
can't go to the court and pay the fine. He has to have it impounded, and then if he pays it off, and if he's been noticed to pay it off, then he can have it unimpounded.
Yes, the
So that's
sheriff's-
the sheriff leadership
yeah.
to deter.
Okay, yes, because the sheriff's at the courthouse for another matter. So if they can,
Yeah,
pay
we're
that with the
we're sheriff leadership, so we can deal with it on the spot here.
Both
Yes.
of us are sheriff leadership. That's
How about this, right? You go get your cars impounded, you get it paid, and pay it right now, and then hopefully we can get it out straight away. If it's
That's all
the
right. Do it
madam,
now, or I can
madam,
do-
Miss, lovely sheriff that would like to organise that, that'd be appreciated.
Yeah. I mean, I was just never told that they'd get taken out immediately. I was
Mate,
just
what do
told
you think
5
is gonna
months in the
happen, mate?
impound.
What do you
You
think is
wouldn't
gonna
let us
happen?
explain. You just called the fucking
Mate, what do you
lawyer
think is
straight
going to
away.
happen? Do you think you're going to get a lotto ticket and say good luck? No.
okay.
Lucky it's not getting crushed, mate, alright? So, look, this is, I think this is a win-win for everyone. They get the money.
Oh yeah, no, I'm
Yeah,
saying
they're happy to get the
what you've agreed to
victory,
is fine.
yes,
I just
yes.
didn't realize that it'd get taken out immediately. They never said that. That's all.
Are you happy with that solution?
How it works is sheriff will
Good.
monitor
That's
to
good.
make sure that
I
you
wanna do
paid
that.
it. And I'm not going to say it's going to be taken out
I want him to
immediately
be
because there's
there.
certain people that obviously have to take it out, as you can understand.
Well, then,
I can't take it out. It's only certain people,
well, that's
like
fine then. I
the
don't wanna waste
the major
people's time.
government can.
So I want a court
But
case.
once they've noticed that it's been paid, then they can talk and to the sheriffs to get it unreleased from impound.
Does that sound good for you, mate?
But I'm not
I
saying
mean,
it's
it sounds
immediate
like the
because
only
obviously
option we
certain
seem to
people can
have,
only
so,
take
you
it
know.
out.
We'll do it.
Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, I can run quickly to
The
the courthouse
officer
and
also,
get you to
they
pay it.
tried to pull me over. He actually asked me for
But
money.
yeah, I don't think
He
I
actually
don't
asked
think
me
it's
I
gonna
for
go down
money,
smoothly. You know what I'm saying?
But I say, I
Don't
mean,
piss off a lot of
if there's a
people, and
way to
I'm not
avoid
here
the
to piss off
impound, we
people,
do
you know?
that. But if it sounds like too much of a hassle, I'll just do that, I guess.
It's not too like it's not even a hassle. It's non-negotiable. The cars get impounded no matter what.
I'll quickly go to what, you know, obviously you do what you need to do. You know, obviously, can we pay the fine right now?
Do you want me to pay them right now?
Well, I'd like you to pay it right now. But do you have the funds on you?
Yeah. Down.
I may actually have it on.
Miss Officer, can we confirm that it has been paid? And there's nothing outstanding?
I mean, there's no point. Like, why is he paying it now when we literally have to okay.
So he can take his cars out of impound.
Yeah, but we haven't even impounded them yet, so there's no point. Do you see my predicament here? You've just asked him to
This is
like.
yes, this is a predicament.
Oh.
That this is definitely a predicament. You know what I'm saying? That a warrant is there for unpaid fines. The fines are now paid. In your
Yes,
statute,
but
it says
the warrant stipulates that we're meant to be impounding his vehicles
which you can do.
because we can't now because he's already paid it. You
So does that mean we're all sorted now?
No, we're not sorted because your lawyer's giving you incorrect information.
As I said, you know, we agreed that you guys will impound, and then
Yeah, have we impounded? Have we moved from this spot yet, Arthur? We have not had the opportunity to take him to the garages to get the vehicles and impound them, get TBD down to impound the vehicles. We haven't had an opportunity to do that yet. Now you just misinformed your.
No, definitely not. No, as I said, we came to an agreement that you're going to impound the vehicles.
Yeah, we came to the agreement. We haven't impounded the vehicles yet, sir.
Yes, we're going to pay
You've
the
just
fine, and then
misinformed
you're
him
going
to
get,
pay the fines.
Yes, we definitely pay the fines.
Oh.
Because the agreement that you just agreed to, that we're going to take
Yes,
it, that
yes,
we
sir.
gotta impound,
You're
which is
not
fine,
listening.
And
We
then
have
you're gonna
agreed to
pay,
that,
and then you're going to
correct?
confirm the payment, and then the car's going to get released
Sir?
by leadership.
We have agreed to that. Yes,
That's
that is
fine.
understandable.
So let's go impound the
I'm
vehicles.
telling you right now we have. But we haven't even gone through the whole procedure yet. You've just misinformed your client. You've given him the wrong information.
No,
We have not
reached
impounded.
agreement.
Listen, we have not impounded the vehicles yet, and you've just made him pay the fines.
Now I can't get in more trouble.
So
per
now
the
the
agreement.
warrant
Simple as
is
that.
basically not like.
As per
Don't
the
you think it's a
agreement
bit
that we just
stupid?
made.
Yeah, but we haven't even done the agreement, sir.
We just
You've
made it verbally.
moved like 5 steps ahead of what we're meant to be doing.
We just made
It's
a
a whole
verbal agreement.
procedure. We have to take him in the car to a garage that it might be in, call TBT down if they're available, impound said 2 vehicles, and then you can go from where you need to go.
Okay, let's go.
Hunter, maybe you can
Are you not
explain in
listening?
simpler terms, or
Well,
I mean,
listen, we had an
aren't we
agreement
just-
He's
that,
just not
No,
listening.
you haven't. She's just explained it clearly.
We have a
Our
verbal
procedure for an
agreement.
impounding of a
That's fine. I'm
vehicle
not challenging the
has just been
procedure.
jumped. There is no way that we can, like, you misinformed your client. Yes, like straight away. Either
mean, I'll be
either
real.
way, if you paid the fine right there, it's getting impounded.
That's fine.
We
we're not
haven't said
arguing that.
anything against
we're not,
it.
We're not arguing about it. We're encouraging you to impound the vehicle.
No,
right now.
no. What we're saying is we agreed to that deal. We agreed
That's
to
right.
that,
So
right?
it's agreed.
But
it's a verbal
listen,
agreement. It's,
stop over talking me,
upheld.
please. You have gone 5 steps ahead of that agreement. We need to do our thing first before he was meant to be paying his fines off. But you decided to tell your client to pay his fines first before we could actually do what we
Me-
needed to do with the deal. Correct?
No, the
I mean,
deal was
respectfully, does it
accepted,
really
so-
matter when I pay them?
Yes, it does.
Oh. Well, they're paid. Why can't we just go and pound the cars?
Yes, they paid the card,
Because-
so then we get the leadership to say it's been paid.
There's a
and then-
procedure.
Yes, let's go continue.
And
I mean,
your
you guys
lawyer
clearly
has
had
decided
evidence
to
of me-
misinform you.
I mean, I wouldn't say he's misinformed. It's now stopped
he
me
does.
from getting in more trouble, I guess.
you're not going to get into trouble for it. Like,
I mean,
that
I
was
don't
the
know
whole
that.
procedure was we impound your vehicles, and if you pay the fines, sheriffs would look at it and be like, "Cool, he's paid it," and then get in contact with whoever it needs to be to impound said vehicles, to unimpound them.
Okay, but now can't we just
But-
like impound them and then they can see, oh, they've been paid, and then
you said
at
No,
some
you
point get
because
them
you paid it
unimpounded?
before we could impound it, because your lawyers misinformed you of the deal.
I mean, does it really matter? I mean, are they being
Yes.
impounded still, or does that mean they're not getting impounded now?
Oh, I'll happily still impound them.
Yes,
I'm
let's
just talking
impound them.
about the
That's fine.
deal.
Okay,
because
then
your
are we
lawyers
impounding them?
misinformed.
There was not. The acceptance was made verbally, and you said you were
Yes,
sheriff leadership, so you
sir,
can take it out.
listen. You're not listening to me, and I'm really getting kind of really annoyed. Now, the deal was we would impound it and then he paid it. That didn't happen. We didn't even get to impound the vehicles. You decided to tell your client to pay them on the spot.
Yes,
That
that's part of
wasn't the
agreement.
deal. That was not the agreement.
I mean, does it really matter what we just agreed upon?
Yes,
mean, you
because
said
your
they're getting
lawyer's being
impounded either way.
stupid.
I mean,
I don't know
whether
who
you're going to
he is, but I
disrespect
really
him or
don't feel
not.
like he needs to be a lawyer. If he's
I mean,
not
whether
gonna
you're going to
listen.
try and foul mouth him or not. I mean, you said you're
I mean,
going to
that's
impound the
alright,
cars,
like,
so
you
we're going to
look at-
I
impound
can
them?
say other words. All I'm saying is like we had an agreement. You went
And we've
across
upheld
the
it outside
agreement.
the agreement. That's,
You
that's-
went outside
we've-
the agreement, correct?
we've paid the
upheld it.
fines.
We
If you're gonna
upheld it
impound the
outside
cars,
agreement.
feel free.
The upheld was you impound, we pay. which
You're
we did
you're
pay.
not even listening.
I mean, I think we're going in circles here. We understand, apparently, we weren't meant to pay the
You
fines.
understand. He doesn't. That's the issue.
No, I definitely understand.
I think he
I-
does.
We're on the
understand
same
the
understanding,
agreement.
it's
The
just-
agreement was you impound and you
Yeah,
want
did
money.
we impound?
Yes, we have. You have the opportunity right now to impound.
We didn't get the opportunity to because you decided to go against the agreement. This is what we're trying to get
No,
at
we
here,
upheld
sir.
it.
I mean,
outside
do we
the
really
agreement.
need to talk on this? Like,
Well, clearly because your lawyer doesn't know what he's doing.
I mean, he does. He just told me to pay the fines because they need to be paid
yeah,
either way.
but he went against the agreement.
Who
This is the
cares?
What was
issue.
our-
If
what
they
was
were
our
meant to be
terms of
paid
agreement?
now,
Our
we're in
terms of
5 years'
agreement
time.
was to pay the fines, which we uphold it outside the agreement. Now you need to uphold
Uh,
outside the agreement.
So, you didn't uphold your agreement.
Well, yeah,
We did. We
upheld it.
paid the
paid
fines.
You didn't. You didn't. That's the issue here.
The
You're not
agreement was to
listening,
pay the
either of you.
fines.
Yeah, after we impounded the vehicles. Are you
But
guys not listening?
why does it matter before, after,
it's a
in 8 years'
procedure.
time?
It's
What's
a
the procedure?
procedure.
What do you need that is now
Like, what-
ruined
okay.
because
You're not listening. What the fuck is the point of impounding your vehicles now after you paid the fines? Tell me that. Your lawyer has
exactly that's why we're
listen,
saying
This
like
is my
why
your
first-
didn't
lawyer
you
has
impound them?
This is my
misinformed you
first
to pay the
argument.
fines when we had an agreement to impound your vehicles first, and then you would pay the fines.
I mean,
came in
respectfully,
here
that was his first argument.
Yes, my
that
first
like
argument.
if he
This
just
was-
pays
that was
them,
it,
what's the need to impound them?
That was the
Because
first
it's a
argument.
warrant that needs to be actioned.
Well,
Then
Because
action
it was
it.
way past the point of you paying your
But
fines.
now we
Then
can't
action
action
it.
it.
Well,
We
then
can't
don't
action
action it. I mean, you've just walked into a brick wall that's clearly slammed in everyone's face.
Okay, so
'cause
we don't action it, we get in trouble. But
Okay,
if
the
we do
thing
action
is, though,
it, then
right?
there's
There's
no
a
point.
procedure that we need to go against. Your
who
lawyer
cares if there's a
decided
point to it?
listen,
There was debt. Just
Your
fucking
lawyer has
impound them.
decided to go against that because he has, I don't know, what is it?
Well,
a
no, it wasn't the
complex
lawyer's
issue?
choice. I decided to pay
It
them
was
off.
the lawyer's choice. He told you to.
He advised I should pay them off.
Yeah,
I
and he
decided
advised
to.
wrongly. He shouldn't have done that. We
Who
had an
cares if he
agreement.
advised wrong or not? He advised
Outside the agreement
like
was to pay the
towards your
fines, and we
agreement.
upheld it outside of the agreement,
No.
so-
So-
No. We told you the warrant had to be actioned because it was an actionable warrant because he decided not to pay his fine.
An action
And it was
warrant.
way
we're
past that point
we're
of
not,
paying fines.
Disputing. We're not disputing you.
You
actually
are.
the warrants. You know. You
You
can-
are.
can
We
impound
told
the
you we had
vehicle.
to go with the warrant. You decided it was agreement. We
my
impound the
life.
fucking cars before
Oh
you
my
decided to
gosh.
make him pay the fines.
Jesus.
So
Right,
moving
can we
forward-
impound the cars?
There's a
Or are we not
policy we
impounding
need
the
to
cars?
go by, Arthur, and you decided
Yeah,
to go
that's
against
fine.
it.
That's not against this agreement, but we
Unfortunately,
we're
I don't-
happy to surrender the vehicles.
I don't follow policies.
No, but your
So,
lawyer should.
Are my
It
cars being
doesn't matter
impounded or
if
am I
we
free to walk?
You're not free to walk. You're still getting charged with the other things on your other
I
warrant, sir.
kind of forgot about that, eh?
Yes, mate. I'm not here for that. I'm just here. For
No,
the
he's
cars.
just here for this vehicle.
Alright, well, I'm flying out. You guys enjoy, yeah?
Dude, I'm flying out.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Okay, so... so my vehicle's being impounded?
So,
Oh, they're
Mr.
not.
Hunter, did we want to take a walk to the magistrate court right now, or?
We're not going to
what?
court.
What are we
Okay,
going to
then
the
are
courts
we
for,
going
sir?
To the impound yard to impound the vehicles, or?
So,
I mean, I
Who
feel
the
like
fuck?
this
Who the fuck
this whole
hired you?
this whole
This
whole
guy.
convo seems
No,
to like
I meant not you. I meant court-wise. Who hired
The
you?
legal aid.
Cool. Well, we need to have a speak to legal aid then.
Yes, feel free
Um,
to speak to legal aid.
so like either way. I feel like this whole convo like now lies on are they being impounded or are they not?
Yes, we have to action the warrant.
Okay, then
Yes,
let's go
let's go.
But
impound
I'll
and
be
Stop
stop
speaking to
arguing.
legal aid about how your lawyer decides to go against agreements and
I
policies.
mean, feel free to. I'll be putting in a positive word for him
Hunter,
because I
you
feel
can
like he's
deal
done
with
nothing
it,
but help.
please.
Yep, let's go. Let's go and
Charge him with the other ones as well
Okay.
on his warrant.
Okay, we're done here. Thank you very much for your time.
Hold up. Can I grab your contact details so I can actually get you payment?
Yeah, no, the courts will cover my payment, mate.
No, I'm gonna give you
370.
stuff on top of that. But yeah, can I?
You
Can I quickly grab his phone number?
You can find me through Mandy if you like. All right.
Wear or carry an article obscene, indecent, and carry a weapon openly.
Alright, I'll contact
Over.
you through the emails, my friend.
Yes, all right, mate.
What was that?
Thank you very much.
Openly, obscene language, and wear or carry an article of disguise.
Which garage we drive to? It's probably City Central.
Well, we're
It's
just
not
gonna go to the
there.
garage right above us.
The garage above us.